When doing GIS analysis, sometimes we have to create our own data, where we have to convert the geographical features into vector data, which is also known as digitizing. In this situation, I am using the base map of ArcGIS. You can also use any satellite images, aerial photographs, or any scanned images of hard copies. Before going further, we have to know the coordinate system of the reference map we are using. In this case, I can go to the data frame properties and look the current coordinate system. In this case, the coordinate system is this one. Okay, the first step of digitizing is creating a shapefile. You can create a shapefile inside a folder. To create a shapefile inside a folder, right-click on the folder, go to New and click on Shapefile. Here you have to give a name. I will give a name and I'm going to use this shapefile to digitize this island. So I will represent the island using a polygon, and the coordinate system I have to give, which I checked before. I will search the coordinate system and here I can find the coordinate system which I wanted. I will select the coordinate system and hit on OK. Now all the details are given. I won't bother about these options and I will click on OK. Now our shapefile is created under the folder and it has been automatically imported into ArcMap. And if you go into this folder, you can see the shapefile is created inside the folder. However, it is a better practice to create the shapefile inside the geodatabase. To create a shapefile inside the geodatabase, you have to right-click on the geodatabase, go to New and select Feature Class. Here, when you are creating a shapefile inside the geodatabase, it is called a feature class rather than a shapefile, but it serves the same purpose. Here also you can give a name and I'm going to use this shapefile to represent the residential areas on this island. And I will use the polygon to represent the residential areas. Click on Next. And here you have to give the coordinate system. You can select the coordinate system from this list, or you can go to the layers. So this layer tab shows the coordinate system of the layers which I have added to the ArcMap. So I can select the coordinate system and click on Next. I will keep these to default values. You can add any field names to the attribute table. I will keep them as default and click on Finish. So I have created the feature class inside the geodatabase and it has been automatically added. Before digitizing, I would like to change the symbology of the layer. For that, I would click on this rectangle and click on Hollow and change the outline color and increase the width. Click on OK And now to start digitizing, you have to right click on the layer, go to edit features and click on start editing. This will open up a toolbar, and in this toolbar you have to click on create features. The create feature window will appear and it will represent the layer which you want to digitize. Select the layer and select the construction tool you want. In this case I would select the polygon, and now you can start digitizing by clicking on the map. When you have finished digitizing, to complete the polygon, you have to right click and click on Finish Sketch or double click. Now your polygon is created, and to save this polygon, you have to click on this Editor tab and click on Save Edits. And to finish the editing process, you can click on Stop Editing. If you check the attribute table, you can see the polygon has been added. Let's say you want to change or edit in again to make any changes. For that you have to again start editing and select the layer and select OK. And by selecting edit vertices, you can make any changes. You can move the vertices, or you can delete any vertices, and also you can insert vertices. After doing the changes, you have to again save your edits and stop editing. In the same way, I will digitize the residential areas. In the attribute table, you can see all the polygons have been added. I also want to digitize the road network. For that, I will create another feature class. In this case, I will select line features. Let's say I want to show some point features. I want to create another feature class for that. And in this case, I have to select point features. After creating the feature classes, you can also group them into different feature datasets. I'll name this feature dataset as land users. Now I can add the feature classes under this feature dataset. Now I have digitized the data which I want. For example, I have digitized the land use, the residential areas, bare land, and the road network, and the sampling sites. Likewise, you can do any digitizing and create your own data.